This week, swipe your American Express debit card at any retailer or for online purchases to stand a chance to win a weekend stay at any hotel valued up to 30,000 rand. Welcome to all my friends on TV. It's the Nedbank Cup semi-finals. Stellenbosch 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 2. I'm joined by my brother Igama Obani Puma Gupi.
Igama Wiseman. Obawana fan. Sukape Stellenbosch.
Wiseman, we bone kanjani game namhlanje?
Babi game ibinhle kakhulu. Igame yethu inhle kakhulu. Stellenbosch ibikwimbi clever. Isakwalibala lincinci. Jonga ukuthi kwenzekeni after igame. Yebo. Igame efanisa aklone. Ibingamelanga bize kwelibala. Yabangela walonto. Sundowns is one of the biggest team in Africa. Not just only South Africa. Africa yonke continent. Sundowns nana belekude kakhulu. Bayala tata. Balanje inyani. Sundowns is one of the best team in Africa. Entire continent.
Uzodlala nePirates.
Icacile tata. 3-0. Sundowns yawina.
Lensman one thing. How we come only? When Stellenbosch attack, raise the flag. Attacks, you raise the flag. One. Are
you saying Baba Robili?
That was a brown envelope. Linesman.
Yes.
When they look at the linesman like this, they remind him of that man.
Robbery.
Yes.
Clean.
Yes.
Clean. Fans Z3.
Yes.
Sidlala against Kaizer Chiefs.
Yes.
Sidlala against Pirates.
Yes.
Sundowns is mele.
Yes.
We win a clean baba.
Yes.
Bangathatha nje kuba besazi ukuthi sizobachapa.